Psalm 60. For the music leader. To the tune Lily of the Promise, a special psalm by David for teaching. He wrote it during his wars with the Arameans of northern Syria, when Joab came back and killed 12,000 Edomites in Salt Valley. You can depend on God.
You, God, are angry with us. We are rejected and crushed. Make us strong again. You made the earth shake and split wide open. Now heal its wounds and stop its trembling. You brought hard times on your people, and you gave us wine that made us stagger. You gave a signal to those who worship you, so they could escape from enemy arrows. Answer our prayers. Use your powerful arm and give us victory. Then the people you love will be safe. Our God, you solemnly promised, I would gladly divide up the city of Shechem and give away Succoth Valley piece by piece. The lands of Gilead and Manasseh are mine. Ephraim is my war helmet, and Judah is the symbol of my royal power. Moab is merely my wash basin. Edom belongs to me, and I shout in triumph over the Philistines. Our God, who will bring me to the fortress or lead me to Edom? Have you rejected us and deserted our armies? Help us defeat our enemies. No one else can rescue us. You will give us victory and crush our enemies.